Alright, kale nkwaniza nnyonyinira ku mukutu gwaffe guno gwa SML News yuginga bulijjo buli mutya mikwano gyaffe n'abatugoberera ebweru w'eggwanga n'ono mu Uganda abatuwagira banafu ababiva organic abatuteekamu ku nsimbi abatuwagira mu Uganda abantu baffe balina obunafu bungi okuwagira abasinga obungi basookera kugeya balaba okola ne baseka naye banafu abana muyanga atandise kino nange kanyongereko kino mwongereyo bwenti ababiva organic natural health products ku ssimu eyo gyolaba oba okubira babuuze ebikwatako ku bulamu bwo bakusomese ku ndyayo tebirina kutunda ddagala basooka kusomesa oyinza okuba nga n'eddagala ly'onoonya liri awo wooli kabakusomesa enkozesa yaalyo otandike okwijjanjaba mbandiza nnyonyi ddala nze Simon Muyanga Lutaaya ndi Kananage nawuliranga ekifo Kananage.
This is the promised land, by the way.
Promised by who?
The one you read in the Bible.
Promised land?
Yes. Where you go and find the comfort of homage. That is the promised land.
Kananage.
Kananage.
It sounds too rural. Too remote.
Very, very, very.
Too remote.
Yes.
How did you get in Kananage? Of all places. You can start.
I go to Kananage mu ngeri ya kuba nti era byakuzunga nga bwidi. Kuzunga nino nyakataka nkagainega akajja mu beeyi yange. Wakafuna mu ngeri oti neyo.
So tozaalibwa wano?
Nze ndi Nakiwulo wale wa Mzee Kasolo.
Hey, you are born in Nakiwulo.
Nakiwulo. Butende betawo Butende nabigongerya.
Butende.
Ebulira.
Why did you fear to go back to Nakiwulo?
Abakola ebyaka beti batera kuba ku kyalo kye babazaalako. Ngagenda bwidi butinze gano wendi ndikana nago okumpi n'olubiri lwa Kyabazinga. Tobona nga nze ndowooza nti biri obvious okuba okumpi n'wa Kyabazinga.
Kumpi wano.
Nga bw'ova kyoli kubona ekyo kyonna kyona ekyo. N'olubiri okutandikira okujja eyo.
Eitaka lino.
Eri itaka eryo eyo wa Kyabazinga.
Emiti gino.
Eyo okujja eyo ti waliwo jasibwa akasobo oti okuvaawo emigo nga 10 okutandikira eyo olubiri.
So oyawula
ni mwenemu. So ife mpaka tukibona nga kya bulunaku. So yesenda buti balabe nakyo wakati tasoboka ali kumpi Kyabazinga.
Le Alton Okocha Kasolo mukwano gwammwe munnamawulire aludde nga aweereza naddala mu bya radio. Mujjukira libwe twali ne muntu wamwe mutaswengere Hussein Muyonjo yaga nti ono ye producer wa radio gwamanya akyasinze mu Uganda yonna. Kale kye tumujjukira Kenyusi radio tumujjukira nti yali meya w'ekibuga the first mayor w'ekibuga ky'Ejjinja nga kifuuse city.
Yeah.
Siba kiri bwe kityo. So fastest mayor ow'Ejjinja. Myaka gye yakulembera gyegyo tuliona kutegera 1 what did he do right, 2 what did he do wrong, 3 what next after now. Kale olulimi oyenda n'olusoga
ndageza kusinga singa Katuukiro we Buganda anga n'okulwogera mu ngeri gye naasobola
weda kugonamu oluzungu lusoga tutyo Oluganda nze Katuukiro olaba Katikkiro
oli Katikkiro ndowooza
Buganda Katuukiro nno so sebo oli Katikkiro nja mutegeeza nti twafunye Alton Kasolo. I hope you have stopped calling yourself sir.
I am sorry, Alton Kasolo. The man a class above the ordinary. In fact, I am back in action.
The man
a class above the ordinary.
Now, I think for today, you must not salute yourself as sir, because that is a contradiction. Unless
so, Sir Simon Muyanga Lutaaya is
very
to
good.
Host Sir Rio Alton Kasolo. It is a meeting of sirs. Let's move together.
Right. Okay. So, how are you today?
I'm okay, my dear.
How is life?
How are you, brother?
Fine.
Sanga iri mugandange.
Gunonize Kananage.
It has been a while. Munayo wali ku.
Muna muchakati nakubonayira. Wampale nkayire. Timayo oli wange nakubonayira.
Nakubonayira. Ekipale pala awo.
Waje wakivwala.
Basebo ne banyaba batulaba ndi musanyufu nnyo okubeerako wano ate ku mukutu guno gwe ogw'amaanyi ate omuganzi ngu following nnyo. Yeah, this is where I get actually real information. Because when we are doing this media business, tulina emikutu gye tuyita giri authentic. There are
authentic those, is the word.
Yes, there are those we call bloggers. A blogger is anybody who talks about anything the way he wants. to get following and all that. But authentic media platforms, it is where we go. For example, the other day when Alex Mukulu passed on, we had to run to those authentic media platforms to confirm the information. So when you follow and watch this media platform, you get the real information. So ndimusanyufu nnyo muganda wange bali kunnoonya.
My pleasure. But no kunoonya kubanga nze sinnafuna mukisa gwe mwafuna gufuga.
Yes.
Ndiye ndi mukwano gw'abafuga.
Esimu abasookayo waliko kansala mu kibuga.
Nafuga Katonda bawita kufuga.
Okulembera muko.
Njagala ekintu nga nange nze nkikuttemu.
Nga gwakikutte nga bwe mbadde meeya.
Gw'osala n'otuuza kanso n'olagira speaker n'okola bw'oti. Era member of parliament gw'osala n'ebintu ebyo kanti you were district councillor, there was a chairman. You remember I wanted to be speaker wa district.
Yes.
Abantu bali baagala okumpa obululu naye nga bali chairman. Paddington basakana.
I understand.
Metu namwira. So they ended up voting for somebody else. So I want that place where I make decisions. You got the opportunity.
True.
How did you use it?
I used it well.
Well,
yeah, because I offered leadership, the real leadership in the sense of leadership. That's why I did not even last long. After one term, I said off.
You did not say off.
Yep.
You are voted out.
True, but I wanted it like that. Because in fact, by the time we twakomerawo mu Kalulu, I had shown the interest of being voted out. But also I worked under pressure as an incumbent. Okulaga nti woli, okivuemu ngera. But for me, I wanted to move out. Mungeri ey'ekitegevu. But you know, the culture now in Uganda. Birimu okulemeramu, okulemezaamu, tokkiriza defeat. Naye nze okusinziira ku kinalaba, because when I got into office, nalaba ebintu ebipya. I don't know what simanyi kyolowooza ogambye tofunanko mukisa kubeera in charge.
I have never.
Yes.
I have not been
but
in charge.
But the problem in Uganda leadership and politics. Kyetulaba ebweru si kyekiri mu real sense of being a leader. Oba okubeera omukulembeze. Kyanjawulo nnyo.
Really?
Yeah. Politics oba obukulembeze bwa Uganda bajjamu ebintu ebitategeerekeka. Birimu ebyobuyaaye bingi, birimu obubbi bungi. Omuntu akulaga wano nti alina kyagoba. Enkwe naye ng'ate kyaliko kirala. Nali kisobola. I couldn't manage that. As a Catholic, you know, I'm that is.
You were Catholic.
I will not say I'm a staunch Catholic, but I'm a Catholic. Because when I say I'm staunch, era mba nimba.
In a long time, you used to move with the rosary everywhere.
Bakuba nsanze mu mbeera zange mbadde ku faamu. Naye weeri kyekimu ku bintu ebinsooka ku mubiri. I have it. And nkiikiririzaamu. Because when I go into the depth of what the rosary means, it is that time when Maria knelt down ng'awulira nti yaddayo mu labor pains ez'omwana nga bamutta. She cried. So nze ndaba ng'omusajja omukatuliki lwaki nimba. I decided to say politics kankole ki?
So, do you fear to say or feel that you are rejected?
Rejected.
You are voted first time.
Yes.
You are rejected second time.
By who?
The voters.
Hey! No. I don't fear. I presented myself for rejection. It was a better option. Bagambe nti bamukubya akalulu agenze. Which is very okay. Tukirage n'abantu.
What is the benefit?
The benefit is like we want to show people nti osobola okubeera omukulembeze and you are voted out n'ogenda mirembe nga tekiriimu kintu kyonna. Because for me I was even consulted by some people nga bagamba nti please tuyambeko twagala genda mu kooti. Nengamba nti gwe agenda mu kooti ng'ate weesimbyewo, what do you mean? Alina ogenda mu kooti is a concerned citizen or voter. Alwana olutalo lw'omuntu we either eyabbiddwa oba yakoleddwako ekikyamu. I don't know whether you're getting my point.
Yeah, I'm trying to get and say.
Kasobola okugenda mu kooti okuwaabira yankubya akalulu. Mba siri kulwanirira bantu. Omanyimu ebintu mbikwata bulala. Oli nagamba hey, for people we are fighting simanyi tuli mu struggle oba ndi mu struggle y'abantu. Each one of us must struggle for himself. Then we combine forces of struggle to achieve what we want. That is why I said nze okujja mu kalulu oli bw'aba yawangudde. Bw'aba yabbye mu kusoma SST omutono ojjukira elements of something, elements of climate, elements of weather. You don't know those things.
Those small components
Those smaller
that make
components,
up the big.
they make up the big
one.
thing. So kati nze Kasobe bwenakiraba ne ngamba nti bankubye akalulu. Kati ate nze abakuŋŋaanya obujulizi mbw ate ngende mu kkooti nkoleyo ki.
So you are satisfied that you lost honorably?
So much.
Did you win the election? Were you reached out?
No. Sigamba nti banziba. Kwa twali abantu bangi, we are almost how many people? We were over 8. We were over 10. Okay. We were over 10 candidates.
Okay.
Nenkwata kya kusatu. Kati banzibirawo. Nga waliwo yasinga naddako owokubiri nze nembeera wa kusatu incumbent. Ekitegeeza abantu balina kye baagala. In the 5 years of my leadership, abantu kye baalaba nga kyenkoze banteeka ku minzaani ne bateekako ejjinja eripima ne bagamba nti Kasolo tokyasobola ku. In fact, it was even good for me to come back so that I can be, ne banteeka ku gundi ku weighing scale nendaba wengwa. Simon is mu town.
You don't seem weakened by your loss. But
why would I?
Because you are rejected. You served 1 term as an embarrassment.
Yes.
They left you as a disgrace.
No.
How do you serve 1 term?
No.
To us young people, one term.
It was enough. Tonagenda mu achievements zange of that 1 term. Compared to others who served for many terms.
Were there any achievements?
Very much of, so many of them.
You know, our way of looking at achievements, that if you had achieved, you'd be voted back. And now that you have
rejected, because I did everything possible to see that people banchawa. Mayanganze salonebwa kuziika bantu. One of the demands of the people, ndina ne constitution ya Uganda, I have the Local Government Act. Emirimu gya mayor gye giriwa giringa around 12 roles of a mayor. One of them is to oversee the welfare of the people, development programs eza government nga bwe zijja no making sure nti zikolebwa, soloze emisolo, budget for that misolo, provide what people want. Naye ate besides byonna nga bino tonaba kubikwatako, on top of the agenda of what people want, baagala mayor abeere, I don't know how, omuziiso omukulu ku Magombe. In fact, ndaba kubona ngo ina kusima Magombe.
They call you Chief Mourner.
They don't even invite us as chief mourners. They only, by the way, okuzika kati kufuse business kubana byafuzi. Kyo muntu bwafiirwa, if I get the member of parliament nefuna chairman no C5 ne council, baba councillors and they come, the ono bampaye 5 nampaye 10 nampa kino mba nsolweiza. I'm not a tiri kuleveyo. I performed my duties as a mayor. Abantu bonna nga tikyebenda na kireka. Because ekyasinga okumalamu amaani, bwemba mu office one time. Omu ku bantu bena limbona nga bali so prominent came to me. Mu office. Yakati Musadai, wati mu office muno ntiki. Ati ku mataka agali mu kibuga muno, iyo oli kwekolerawo okuki. Oyenda mbukulembeze muno ng'oli mwavu.
Ng'otuswaza buswazi.
Yakati baba nga nedda mbukulembeze muno ng'ezira kyeni nakyo. Kinali nakyo lyali loboozi lyange. Era nga I had my name as Kasolo, omukozi w'oku radio, abaire agitating and advocates for the good of all Ugandans. Nti government yekola byetwetaaga. Kayo oli kwenda nze emmenso okerweku okutandika okunaga ebitali byange. Baba nga alina kiwulo, bwaba kumpa ku kataka ajja kukampa waife na kiwulo, munaazira mu itaka lindi kwenda kutandika. Lwaki mba ntandika okwiba eby'abantu? And that is what people wanted.
So you left with how many plots?
Nothing. Ebuwe kula waidie wange okumpi ne Kirunda Faruku lyanguza.
Wali wongoka ali that is not mayor. As a mayor, what did you get? What
Nothing.
Land did you get?
Ezira chenavamo nacho nekyo.
So when oli nenya Katonda oti yakuwa.
Katonda ezo kyemunene nze yampa. Obwongo mbulina obukole ebyange bino ebizira mu bwibi. Ye ntyama ninsinzira wano nafuna isimu erivweka. Oditegeeza omuntu okuvweka Kampala nga ali kunonya kananage. Nti kanje eno ne ku yali mayor weidini.
Ngabo empwine.
Ngabo owine noida baba. Oditegeeza ekyo mugandanga. Nti Kasolo nenze kukyazaako. Konze munange ndi kananage wano emirimu gyange tijinga na kutambula ndi mulimi. Okoti ndakuida. Osobola okunonya omwibi. For example, singa nava mukulembeze nga bantere ku empingo.
Anti nguli oli kirinya tatandidi eyo.
Era yo gandi bairenga ku mukutu gwa ifu guno omuganzi gwe twenda.
Ono
omwibi
omuteku.
So ebono obuga iganze buna kungula meya.
So Kasolo, I love the way you feel. So you have, I do not know how you managed your way to work on your psychology. You seem comfortable.
Mr. Mayanga, omuntu yene yagenda mu ssomero n'asoma. Wankyazako ku TV n'enkubuulira gye nayita.
Nga wasoma?
Natandikira Nabigongera Primary School, nenvayo nengenda mu Kamuli Township, gye nava taata wange n'antwala e Balawoli. Kati bw'alaba nga sente azina lwaki omwana wange mutambuza mu masomero gano? Because he was trying to use his friends bamuyambeko nsome. Nagamba, but I can afford money. What is the cost of taking a child in Kamuli Boys Primary School? That was during Isota, Patrick Isota, one of the educationists in the region. I can afford this money. Sadali afumba na walaji. Kasolo yogobo. Yes. Yale afumba walaji. Aina iduke na chulo. Aina tractor.
Afumba walaji?
Yes.
Kabila aina tractor?
Yali na garaji. I mean jagale.
Njid.
Baba ne jagale. Yaba ne tractor erima. Nga aina iduke na chulo. Abamu kubasada abana business. Of course kino nichire. Akati no. Kamuli wano. Aime twale 12. Let me take my child to Kamuli Boys. He took me to Kamuli Boys. From there I went to Jinja College. From Jinja College I went to St. John Bosco, Kamuli High, Namasagali College. These are prominent schools. Now, kati omusajja yasomako nganze. Can psychology really become a problem to me? Psychology is how you manage the brain as a person.
The stress of losing the mayoral seat.
No, mayoral seat is not a job. Have you ever been to the chambers of Jinja City Hall?
Yes, I have been there.
Do you see those portraits of mayors?
I see.
How many are there?
Quite like 10 now.
So you want to tell me that Kasolo went there to stay? Nti aida kubeya Kasolo abeerawo nga meya nga tavaayo. Tebikola bwe bityo. Mwai Museveni no gwetulwanyisa abamu abaddeko mu opposition. Ne tuvaayo nze navaayo by them opposition. I am now a free person.
You left NUP?
Long time ago.
Then abasajja batufoga nti wabali amoru. You left them.
I can't be part of how can I even term them? Because even a fool you can heal them. Someone is a fool. You can heal fools and they become abantu abategeera. These are clowns. These are, how can I call them? A better word is abafere ba politics. Because ekigambo ofere omuntu kyayinza okutegeera. There are people who play around with people's brains, abategeera mu byobufuzi ne baba loweringa. For them they gain abaana bakola by the Uganda ne kyobona nti kida kuba kizibu ino Uganda okuba nti eri kuvuganya okwenda okukyusa leadership from the hands of Mr. Museveni, whereby Mr. Museveni to me is a genius of Ugandan politics and African politics. Yes,
Museveni is a genius.
He's a genius in the politics of this country, East Africa and Africa.
Kasolo, look at me.
Yes, he's a man who understands Sochakola.
The man you taunted on radio for years as responsible for
nali nchikoberanga wantimba, because when we were discussing Mwami Museveni ngankobera wantimba, this guy is a genius. Ncho dichitegezo kuba nga tumaze emyaka 10 nga tukuba Museveni nga baidiniga tusola buli gamu niche tukola yetunwera ni yetuliira buli kimu baidi yetu bayingezira atukoba.
Who's insignificant?
No. Wait, my dear, what are you talking about? Ebyatufuula bino he lets you also come and be part of his leadership. Mwene nga abiye sino akoti kambireke nga tobitegeera. Look where they are. Where is oyogera kukibira kinupu Baliga?
The National Unity Platform.
Baliga.
They can't be anywhere because you betrayed them. They give you their flag to lead the city.
What is betrayal? What is to betray? Okubetraying.
Okichiche wakola ekizi Nupu naye kuyinza mu office.
Nupu nze Nupu okuba part of it. It was my own will. I would choose another party because I've been a member of all opposition parties. Ngani mwana nga musada wa NRM until I said to hell with politics.
Did you win the mayoral seat on a NUP ticket?
Of course, I did. But with my contribution.
They blessed you for that seat.
Yes.
Okay.
in a council of 3 members of NUP. Now Angula ni bakansala abandi. In fact we are 4. Now Angula ni bakansala abandi basatu. Still decide na ba Angula bali bameka bali. Abasinga be bano kuba ndi yali ontibo NRM. Ninza namukubira campaign. Lwaki wa NUP okubiritia ida na Wangula atenga kintu kya kigemye nga kina kubinga mu 7 tukagende mu tukabanje tukakole eki byonna. That lose talk I told you that time. Byekisirisiro byogere. Okuvuganya nga mulikwenda obukulembeze, it is not lose talk. Go back to when Mandela was in the Ruben Islands. He came down, he toned down, yabona what can work to liberate South Africa. Era bacheta betroyo. Yakati atuogere. Let's talk and see what can work for us. Tulikuleka tututaka kubukambwe nti the issue is not bukambwe. Kye tulikwenda Africa kubanga tukola ki twekulembera. They achieved what they wanted. Yeto kidinga mu South Africa yabakuba ati Mandela yabali amuluko.
Of course that's
South Africa tibafuna kye bayenda.
They are independent and
yes.
Never be
ruled. Bwe kuna nakyo likwenda, you use all avenues of getting what you want. Museveni yakobera bulungi nti yali mu government lando na memory asobola kuwangula obukulembeze. Olukwe rubi yali yangangu.
So have you done anything to thank your father for making you what you are today? Your father.
Mwemu Kasolo?
Yes.
Apa ni ba champion abobulamu bwange.
Very good. Yes. So have you done anything to appreciate NUP for blessing with their ticket to the level of being a mayor?
Anti mpegano emanga nizo omu ku ba founding members mba ndi kwebazaaki ku kintu kye natandika. Nze nebaza omwana wange okuba mutabani wange. Nifo twatandika NUP mbisere byali ebizibu ino. Tutandikire wano ni mwami Mwiru. Imemwali mu FDC. Ayi ngokuwangula akalulwana mu idinda kyali kizibu ino. Bobi Wine waidanga tuliba artist twaida twalumba. Twapo edukira mu message bayako bati kati ife tukozeko kye tusobola bano ba Bobi Wine katubakwasa kibakoleki batambuze ekintu. Wajukira that statement. So when he came ba artist twalumba nga titu kye tukujanamu. Twatandika article ife twamuta mu politics ekibina kya formingibwa. Butinzo ku becoming a founding member of a party ni mampa card. Ninji wangulira akalulu. Of course njebaza. Nebaza okuba part of a winning team of that time. Twawangula akalulu era twasobola okuba nga tuddamu bukulembeze. But also kayo okunebaza kikulu ino okusinga abantu ababuukire. Kyobona nti ababuukira tibasobola kwizayo kifo kya NUP. Mwidinda kyere mwenare mubene kyo. Nze kwena kitola. I getting the meaning of what or getting the sense in what I'm saying?
Wachirola kubenare.
Oli kwogera ni Kasolo ategere oba Kasolo omugwengere.
Mbe ngo kukula.
Nanola kubenare. Na chiretera abantu. NUP bwe yako bati najiri amu olukwe.
Wachikwati kale muize chaimwe.
Baida baleeta obwayibu. Ba mukuba akalulu. Kyere mwenare. Butinze.
So mule mu mutima oliranga NUP tekubanda. Wena tojibanda kuko tiwe founder member yakuwa card ngolinga akoba ndeba kuwa card. That was a reward for you as a founding member.
Tijibanda bwe baloni naji service nga yawa tijibanda kuba yampa card najiwangulira ngoli odinenge jinafuna mu card ya NUP eyo inza no seko buseke buti kankweko akasitore kali kalungi kati twali ku Baba FM awo nga tulini swengere oyenza ino mwogere kwera ka mwogereko kuba era obulamu bwaife n'obwo etubani swengere nga bakamala okukola olwemba lwani olwemba olwo bali batwena musically Bobo timwagira nze ng'omuntu musically nze ndiwa Bebe Cool. Yes, Bebe Cool. Yes. Remember me, Rio Balton from Jinja College. Buju Banton. So musically, nze am a hardcore singer. Then mwenva mu ragga na mvire Jamaica na settlinga to reggae roots. That is Lucky Dube now style. Nze ndi mwembi. Tikwemberanga muko. I'm a reggae artist. Ndi mwembi wa reggae.
Reggae?
Yes. I'm a vocalist. I have those high notes vocals. After whenever mudire nkambwe na ikamu high notes reggae roots. Ndi mwembi wa reggae ino.
Amatiza nti abantu nga tonsampolinzeemu.
I'll send you the music and maybe you do that. But I can also sample
copyright. Anti oyida kumva music mutemba ansabe copyright bintu emobili.
Copyright nize mbanji demanding. So kankwembere. Ebintu museno bwembiringirira binne tetenkanya. Ayo buyinza buli kumwene bwo. Nze ndidukira ebiseera nga buli kintu kyesibye. Nafukamira nze nayeta erina lye. Yandidukira zena buti ndi muntu. Oyo talimba tiyerabira ifa bairube. Oyo Katonda ewete wa birungi. Saniro kusakibwanga. Ewete wa birungi. Tusaine tumugurumize.
Oli kunembera kemba kwa yemba ko boka wan.
It is my song. Recorded, it is on record. Kasolo no muntu akola ebintu ebimunumira yakire cut that. So
kasolo.
Ekyo nkobye ntinzo okuva kwa meya tibinuma.
No, but it could be nti you are suffering from failure to locate yourself. Oli mwembi.
Yes.
Oli wa radio.
Yes.
Wangira ebyofuzi. Buti nkwagenekana na goli mwayi. So what exactly are you?
Nize Kasolo out on the man a class above the ordinary. That is me.
When you say class above the ordinary, onti is because
no. Ninzo yo. So, chombuza kire chenkomenti
surprised that you
chombuza kyomukuru mwami kyagulanyi. Ekyo kuva mu nuupu oba okujingiramu tuba ku baba nuupu ebiseera ebyo musali yasooka okuyidda okuvuganya nga ali kwenda obwameya mu nuupu yali omwamba mweta owekitiibwa Tibenkana. Twaje wa Dr. Muvala yamutulaga ati ono gwendi kwenda mukoleki munoneza akalulu. Era akalu ka 2021 twasooka akanoneza omusadde bamweta Ziwa. Yatuwa emitwalo gati.
Julius Ziwa.
Bwatuwa emitwalo ata in fact n'okwava n'okuba nti.
Ye nanu okuba nga tafuze ku adaze
daze. No wenda okusalawo okuba nti abantu bana abatudooga omusadde bwatuwa emitwalo ata tujiro digabana muntu yafuna emitwalo gitya.
Kamwali banji mwaje ikukubira
twedi bana mawulira wera no kutwera biranga mawulira wewe ife idinda
wasigaza mitwala esatu mwali bameka mwaje ikukubira twali ikukubira of course nga bogere anyole natukubira simu ati omukulu ali ne mitwalo gatya ya mitwalo atanu ga soundinga bonene mukudite matema wali muntu wafuna wasigaza esatu ebire byane modifuna
nekyo
ebyo byane
mo tuvayo twaje wa Dr. Muvala kati no muntu wangu ni kwenda mukoleki mu campaign ingire betuva Dr. Muvala yatuwa kasente bwetuyira mu kiti omukyala gwe John Machora story na njiwa yiye John Machora twaja call friend say yo yavu embozi abayisimba olwaki besimbawo bwetuva call friend sintwira ku mukati awo kyova nko basongera nti muna kubira president yisimu kyo olwakubira president yisimu takanti muna ekifo ekyobwa meya titujja kuleka buleke bantu kuno abantu kwida kwesimba ngo ati bali kwenda ko yosere bidukira abantu batyanga ni nupu. You remember when they say nupu tichibina bichi buli muntu yaje samba. Twakanti nzo omusaade nasoma nti okutuka kubino ulaki okwesimba okututiisa. Nani atandide mu idinda muno bakuba ati Kasolo wuyo. Nani ansinga okumanikwa mukamulimu. I mean muki mu idinda. Omugenzi nabuiso mukama mu ekyumule ekyemine mwe twatandika nakanti yebo olingire nabuiso batano nabuiso ni batano Kasolo. Kuba basinga okulonda bakazi. Eri omukazi asobola okulonda nabuiso yaleka Kasolo wano. Ati wazira tuje mbavubuka nsobola okwemera abavuka nakanti nize Kasolo bano kodi ba kanusu kodi bane eri asobola okulonda ku aba yalekanzi
atibe. So
you know for me naso kana listing of the factors that could favor me to become a mayor. Twogere ku bwa celebrity. Where do you go in Jinja City? You go down in Budondo where anywhere and talk about Kasolo eri atandidi abantu kyendi kumuluguma ja kulonda bulonde mu ngeri yonti nani gwe tuidi bampa akalulu. Those were the factors that I listed. So when we called the president twamukobere kino kanti my president we mintu byokusaaga ngai abana Uganda bali kujja okukulonda ku bwa president nti Bobby Wine because ne densonga Bobby Wine yali nsonga ki
ati was Bobby Wine
kisobola okumulonza ku bwa president
was mayor Bobby Wine
era bo yaira in fact one of the people yakochinga Bobby Wine obo idukiro muno ligona soko twasoko okumuleta ku NBS nenze namuwa ebyo okwogera kanti gyo yogera ot not bonava mu 7 ebusoga abantu bajja kukyaga gyo yogere ku nsonga ediru mu busoga yambuza kati naye gwana kanti bandira Kasolo. You remember in his first shows, buyali ayogeranga wano buso kati mulina abaana abagezi nga bakasolo baswengera. Why you remember those days?
I remember very well.
So butumukubira isana kanti muna tujire okubona nga factors that can favor okuwangula akalulu k'obwa meya ndirina okusinga omusale n'ogubeta tibenkana yakate mwina buzibu ne musajja wammwe Katiikiro ndogere ekitufu kye twamwiramu namukuba nti Katiikiro bwe batiraga kumugamba kumukuba migo tumwekubira bene nga nabyeko. Those were my words.
Tajja kuwulira ekyo
Katiikiro babanzo ayina ekigambo kye nekozesa
ababizi ajja kuwulira ekyo katajja masimu so
yes kind by the way nga bozeze yakati please go ahead because tukwenda muntu akuba ati wa DP ati wachi
wa NUP
twabere wa came into the race. They gave me the card era bonaja kukitebe no one actually ya contesting for that card bantu bagitya it was blank. During my time no one contested for card.
How long had you interacted with Bobi Wine before that?
Bobi Wine had the first meeting with Bobi Wine, it was in 2013. My first meeting with him, I think so. Olwemba weyembe olwemba tugambire ku Jennifer.
Yes.
By then I was working as a manager of an events company bajeta classic events. Twaje okumupangisa twamuleta ku Crescent Coin Hotel. My first meeting him twamusasula emitwalo gyali emiliyoni dali 5 n'emitwalo 5 ngokutukolera drop ngali kuida rabo twamuleta yatukolera ekivulu. The second meeting with him was when he came ebujiri basalirwa because era mwiru I never had interaction with him yaidanga serebu nga boidi yakubbe ekibuliche butieri twayagana na olonga ali kwenda butinga yena akibone nti we can use art okuputinga ebintu bino twasobola okuwangula akalulu awo twafuna omukisa twayogera naye one on one. So after that of course twayogera but nze ndinzo omuntu mwami yanga kiringa yebona mbuza nti mirundi emeka gyendogere niwe out of respect nti ndikwe nkwagana awantu ng'oliwo kizibu ino okwemaniriza out of respect nti oyo mukulu wange muidi fine ayansi
for this purpose
tiri suppose kumubampinga into eri abantu abaidi nti bwakubona nga yakubona kwa abantu yakugwamu tiri like that. So that is how we talk to Bobi Wine. Chako mao bwenfuka meya nibako bati yebe byaida uko debate show yebigambe bogera nga tibaidi. You know, the funny bit about national platform n'abantu bayo niwe babasoma boloza anti basoma obugwago bali ku bwongo tibategera meaning da bigambe bakozesa. It is a mutual mwana ekitundu okugula dictionary okutegera ekigambo betrayal. What does betrayal mean when you are fighting a war? Omukazi gobeta beti bigombo omwidi.
Yes.
During the time of the Lord Resistance Movement.
The Joseph Kony.
Babaja ngo kutesa niko ni Museveni babairanga yabaita. Lwaki yabaitanga. Yebo ule anti Kasolo meyo wa Jinja City. Ajire ya meeting ga Museveni katugeze. Musango ki. Nendo okubere bukubere. Kibi ki ekiri nti Kasolo meyo wa Jinja City. Afuni omukisa ya meeting ga Museveni. Eyo tankolera agenda yange na Museveni. Toidi bye ndija kumukoba. Era bwe nabambe mukobye. Toidi obo inakugasa because Museveni just imagine nti NUP kale katugeze nti threatening somehow. Kasolo yafuna omukisa yogera nayi. Namukuba nti Jinja tulikwenda kino. Out of panic ya abikola. Nani aba afuniemu?
Jinja.
Ate ekibina kye kiba kifuniemu.
Ekyanu kwera.
Nti noje kyenkobye nti nebigamba bikosanga tibaidi kye bitegeeza. Alide mu struggle olukwe kosimanyi olukwe. Tebabitegeera. They don't know what they. In fact, I should use Uganda because I need most of them to understand what I'm saying. Most of these guys boogera ebintu nga naye tebamanyi kye kitegeeza. Muyanga lutayanga njagala okujjako ebirungi. I need to come close to you and go into dialogue with you. No manya no tegeera character yange bweba nnungi you can trust me with what I want to get from you or what you can offer. For example, fetuli basoganze naawe. Wanewe febula mojingo yagala okufuna obusika. It is how you present yourself responsibly before your father. n'agamba nti omwana ono
asobola baine
can continue my legacy. Era kandowooza era leta ni maama mu kisenge mu byaibweyo nga bali mu kwogera makati nkira okulinga Simon oyo ali mu omulamu asobola okuuma baine. How you present yourself when you threaten your father to die quickly, aida kulonda the last tick bone oba the youngest akukulira yobe abe babawo kuba ulada kuba taidi character ye akutwale ku byebyo oli kwenda okulwanira. I didn't want to discuss these crooks because they are so minor. Onansoni wokukosa ebigambo bino. I didn't want to discuss them, but I want to give them obwongo obubasobose okufuna kyebenda.